Hello everyone. If you've ever wondered who visits your social media profile and whether it's possible to find out which profiles are interested in you, this is the right video for you. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to check this on TikTok. Follow my steps. Open TikTok and then go to your profile. Click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. Select Settings and Privacy. Now, choose Privacy. Scroll down and find the Profile Views option. Click on it. A new page will open. See who viewed your profile in the past 30 days and allow others to see that you viewed theirs. Only you can see who viewed your profile. To enable this option, click the toggle button. I'll also show you another interesting feature, which lets you see who viewed your individual posts. Allow people you follow to see that you viewed their posts and see which followers viewed yours. Post view history will only be available for 7 days from the post date. Thank you for your attention. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials on solving everyday issues and doubts on mobile devices and computers. Thank you.